high pressure is anchored over Mexico. It is heading in our direction, and it will give us the sinking air to prevent rain chances through at least Thursday of this week and give us a shot of mid to upper 90s here in East Texas, while we could see triple digits along into the west of Interstate 35. San Angelo and Abilene both get to 102. Austin may get to 108 tomorrow. San Antonio will get to 106. But there's your ridge of high pressure setting up for us. And as I mentioned before, record high temperatures, they are possible. 90s, they are a sure thing here because, well, we already saw 90s today. Triple digits, they're expected for areas to the west of Interstate 45. And of course, this will yield a drier weather pattern. So let's talk about those high temperatures. Forecast for Tyler's 96. That would break the previous record of 95 set back in 1901. Longview, the forecast high is 96. The record is 95, set twice in 1915 and 1927. 96 for Lufkin. 93 is the record set back in 1911. But here's that high temperature trend. I've got 90s across the board, and this could continue beyond 7 days. So be prepared, buckle up, because we're looking like we are going to see an early start to summertime here in East Texas. Over the next 6 to 10 days, it remains warm. This is valid between May 19th and May 23rd. While rain chances, we got them in the forecast starting on Friday. And I do think we will see a return of those rain chances not only this weekend, but into early next week. We could see up to a ½ inch of rain in deep East Texas, with up to an inch possible to the north of Interstate 20. Again, this is valid for the next 7 days, not the next 4. So most of this occurs this weekend and early next week. Temperatures right now, we are in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Dew points in the mid to upper 60s, so it is humid, and unfortunately at this time of year it makes it feel a lot warmer than it actually is. For example, we're at 92 in Tyler, it feels like we're at 95. We're at 90 in Longview, it feels like it's 93. So these heat index values, if you haven't lived in East Texas for an extended period of time, especially over the summer, get used to hearing this, because the true feels like temperatures does cause problems in the summertime. Lows, they fall into the lower 70s tonight. High temperatures, the warmest we've been in 2025 so far. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s, and as I mentioned before, to the west of I-45, that is where we have the highest chance of seeing those triple-digit temperatures. I don't think we see them here in East Texas, but we'll get to 96 Wednesday, 92 on Thursday, with a few isolated showers around Friday and Saturday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, more of the same. We'll key in on those rain chances Friday and Saturday, because this weather pattern is eventually going to break. Highs will be in the 90s, lows will be in the 70s. Isaac, Casey.